Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna well. Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl, Elaine Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and thank you so much for sticking with me. I know I haven't put out a video in like a week or so, but your girl has been tied up, tangled up, wrapped up with my family, as well as some church activities, and so I really had to kind of balance my life and enjoy my life at the same time. So that is why you're getting this kind of late, because this came in on Friday. And I actually had no time to record a video unless y'all wanted to see me doing it in bad lighting and all of that stuff. So I did get mine, but I had to, you know, wait a little bit. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. This is the new Erin Condren Planner. And I'm so excited to see. I wanted to try one of their new ones. I wanted to do the binder actually, but I don't think that I got the binder. But it's okay, we're gonna see what's inside the box. I don't really know what's inside the box, so I'm really excited about that, like, just in general, just, okay, so let's get into it. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Okay, really, there's not that exciting. As you know, it comes with the card that we usually get for the month. So the month of May is that purple? This ended in April, so April was purple. I'm like, what? Okay, and then, okay, let's open this thing. I'm trying to show y'all and open it at the same time. Wow. I'm like, okay. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wowzers, wowzers, wowzers. I have not watched anybody's stuff because I'm just like that. I like to be surprised and look at my own stuff. So I'm really weird when it comes to doing that. I'm gonna save that for later, but I just can't wait to get into that. Okay, so what I received was the wet erase markers, and this is the 0.5 millimeter fine point markers, and these are in the earth tones, the orange, purple, royal blue, and chocolate. I do not have these. This would be so awesome for my work wet erase board. Oh, and that, oh, I can use that too. Oh goodness, that's gonna be so cute. Okay, and let's see what this is. It's a nice little box. What comes in the box? We have to figure this thing out, honey. And I'm using scissors, like I just don't have a slice or something to open this stuff with, but that's the closest thing to me at the moment, so I'm using what I got. What is in this box, child? Oh my goodness, look at this pen. Child. Okay, Erin did not come to play today. No, indeed. No, she did not come to play. Hold on, let me see how this writes. This is a regular ballpoint. I'm just gonna write my name. All right, it's just a regular, wait a minute. Hold on. Checkmate, is this? Okay, I'm pretty sure this is ballpoint, but it writes really, really smooth. Wow. Okay, it's a really, really smooth writing pen. I'm here for it. I'm here for the packaging. Do y'all see this? So the new theme is kaleidoscopes. I'm telling y'all, like, when I look at this stuff, they put us under, they send us some of the things early to kind of get familiar with things. And I'm kind of weird about it because I'd be like, oh, I'm so excited. And if I look at it, I get even more excited. So I try not to like overly stare and look at it. But yeah, I saw the kaleidoscope, but I didn't think I put that together. This is beautiful. Okay. And then we got the adhesive elastic pen holder. We have the petite journal, which y'all know I'm here for a petite journal. We might as well just go ahead and bust it wide open because that's what I love these. Oh, these are so perfect for my A5. They just do it for me. I love it. And look at that design. Do you see that foil? Here for it. Then we got the sticky notes, which I love these. They come in handy, especially like I use my Erin Condren at work. And so these come in handy for meetings or just little things I need to jot down. And these ones are so cute. It has a little tab on the side. So once you stick it inside of your planner, you can kind of see where everything is. And okay. This fanny pack is cute, honey. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Plan for tomorrow, celebrate today. And look at this. This is like ice. Ice, ice, baby. Dun, 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 dun. This is so, oh, I love it. I love this. I have a few other planning packs, but this one is by far like one of the cutest ones that I've had. I've had a rose gold one. I was gonna say, I think I have like a couple of them over here, but I love this a lot. Hold on, it's got a little string. Let me cut this little string off, but that's gonna bother me. Okay, string is gone. I really like this a lot. These are perfect for just sticking over on top of your planner and keeping with you whenever you need them. I actually carry one around with me as well, so you would just put it on top of your planner like this, and it would keep your pens or whatever else you want to put in there. All right, so let's get into the part I'm sure you guys wanted to see anyways, which is the planner. Now, the planner that I got colorful this time because I previously was using neutral, and I just wanted to go back and add a little color in my life. And then I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using this one for work. So I don't know, I'll just see how it goes. One thing I have noticed already is that this one has this the ruler is a lot more sturdy. If you guys know me, I'm always searching for my rulers. And so this one seems like it's a little bit more sturdy than the other ones, and it's longer too, I feel like. So that's kind of cool. I probably won't leave it there, but that's not what we're focused on. I did want the rose gold binding, so I don't know if you can see that, but it is the rose gold coil. I'm not saying that that's anything different from what it normally is, but that is the rose gold coil there. And I got the Live Now, and it's so funny because CJ was saying, she was like, oh my gosh, I love that one, and I was like, I already got that one. And then Shay picked this one out too, but we all picked this one, and it spoke to us. It's like, live now. Like, what are you waiting for? Why are you waiting to live? Just live now. And so I picked my color scheme. You can also pick the background as well as the lettering. You can change all of that. So this is one of those customizable covers, and then just got my name down at the bottom. All right, so when you open it up, it is like the little dry erase board over here, so I can definitely use those wet erase markers. And then look at this. This is so cute. The little vellum sheet in front of there, and it just has the life planner, and this is the vertical layout and the on-the-go type style. All right, so over here it says success means having the courage to become the person you believe you were meant to be. I love that so much. I'm here for it. All right, so then it goes into the perpetual calendar, guess, for 2019, because it starts in July, and I got the 18 months, so this is going all the way to December of 2020, which is good because my work planner actually ends in July as well. June actually. And then it says new beginning, new mindset, new focus, new start, new intentions, new results. And you can use this as a goals tracker or for whatever. And I'll go back through and I'll do like a setup video to show you how I'm going to set up my Erin Condren. I just want to like go through the basics of what the planner has now. Okay, so here we go. This is the notes page. So they added this up here. I should, you know what? I should probably order a neutral one. I'll probably do that today too. Oh, that's different. Okay, I see you. I see you, EC. It says remember why you started. And then it has July. Then you have another like little small notes page here, but this one is what we were looking for. If you guys know, the Happy Planner has been coming with these pages for a long time, and I think that was one of the pluses. Is that a word, pluses? That was one of the plus of I can't get past that. Okay, so that was one of the bonuses of getting the Happy Planner. You have this page where you can keep your birthdays, your goals, and little notes and jot down little things, and that is amazing that this is now included inside of here. So they got rid of that other page. Now here is your calendar. Wow, child, I haven't had a colorful in a while now, but this is like, this is beautiful. This is awesome. Okay, now we into the weeks. Wow. Okay, I need a comparison. Where is my, I'm gonna have to do this at another later date because I don't know where my actual Erin Condren vertical is. I'm gonna have to find it now because it's somewhere hidden. I know I don't keep it over here because I'm not using it, but wow, they have really changed the game up over here. So I wonder how big these boxes are. Like I need to measure, let's measure the boxes so we can see what these, how big these boxes are now. Okay, hopefully I got this on the right side. Okay, so just the little box by itself is about it's like a little bit less than 2 inches. If you can see that right there, it's a little bit less than 2 inches. But with the whole box included, like if you start from the top, it's now rounded, and before it wasn't rounded. So before, let's see, you got about 2.1 inches for the box space. And then let's see what it's looking like going across. Yeah, and this is all of 1.5. Wait. Yeah, 1.5 across. So That's pretty darn interesting. I think the boxes have changed just a little, so that's cool. So this month is July, and it has the kaleidoscope and the July tab over here, which is blue, matches the blue inside of here, and everything looks the same. Let's go to the last page. Okay, cool. This is really when they said colorful, baby, they was not playing with the colors. Okay, and then August is yellow, so I'm assuming the insides will be yellow. Oh, that's cute. So it changes from the blue over to the yellow. Here for that. September is purple. Y'all know it's my birthday month. Wish it would have been pink, but you know, neither here nor there. And it goes from yellow to the purple. I really like that color coding. And this is something new down here, these little boxes. We had just the long strip prior to, so this is definitely a new thing for them. And they've taken away the calendar that used to be over here, and then they also removed like the little thankful notes box. That's gone as well. So the calendar is now at the bottom, and then this little September reminder is there. There's no flags. There used to be flags up here. There's no flags up there, so that's a thing. And then the months just coordinate with what the tabs look like. So again, this goes all the way through next year. So let's get to the back of here. So we have December. That was the Temptations, right? It was the 3rd of December. Okay, I don't really know if that's how the song goes. Now we're into the notes section. Okay, so here's the notes, and it starts off with just this little like arrow stick and a, is this a pentagon? Octagon? Lord, I'm gonna have to get to know my shapes again. Thanks, Erin. I'm gonna have to get to know my shapes again. So the notes pages, I didn't get to pick any of the notes, like how many notes pages we have in there. Oh wow, hold on, wait a minute. Okay, then we have some dot grid, and like it looks like you could probably color those in if you wanted to. Here for that. And then this one you could color in for sure. This is like a coloring page, and then here is like the diagram, and I know people have been using this for like a goal sheet, so I am here for this. And then a contacts page, which is really good. At first I was like, why would I need a contacts page? But when you do happy mail to people, it's good to have all of their information like right where you need to have it when you're sending off stuff. So this is like perfect for me. This thing is chunky monkey though. And then back here it has the next year, so it has 2021 and things that you're going to do in 2021. So that's cool. That's a perpetual calendar back there, and you can write down anything. So like if a wedding comes up and you need to plan for that, you can do that. Just planning ahead. Wow. It says life is a kaleidoscope of colors, intricate, unexpected, and beautiful. I love this. All right, so here are the stickers. Now they've been stepping their game up with their stickers back here lately. I don't know about y'all, but they've been stepping it up, and I'm here for it. And they feel different. Like these don't feel like they're regular. Oh yeah, I'm excited. They feel got a little butter to them. Okay, EC, I see you with the butter. Yeah, these are cute. Like you can actually use these. These are trackers. The previous stickers, like I felt like I couldn't really get the good amount of use out of them. But this is cute here. They're celebrating the birthdays and the storm clouds. Cute. I'm here for it. And then you have like your just flags, like your reminder things. I used to order extra of these because I like them so much. Okay, and then back here you have your folder. Wait, I didn't get my perpetual calendar. Where is it? They must not get. I want to know. Do y'all get those when y'all get them? Maybe I didn't get them because this is like a PR package, so that's why they like you don't need all that. So I didn't get my little, or are they not giving it anymore? They usually send you like a plastic insert so you can stick stuff inside of your planner. So if you can see, this is the 18-month. This is about how thick it is for you if you are deciding to get to the 18-month. This will be a great planner to do for work or keeping at home. That's why I really like this one. I'm gonna do a comparison video of what I used last year so you guys can see the difference between a neutral and that one, and then I'll probably go ahead and order a neutral for myself and see what it looks like and do that comparison for this year. But I'm excited. I can't wait till that binder comes in because that binder is going to be nice. If this is partial what we have to look into, I am really excited. So thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing of my Erin Condren goodies. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Like, I am in love already. I think EC did the thing. They know what they were doing. I feel like they have really been listening and taking heed to all that they needed to take heed to, and just really get a chance to understand what their customers are looking for and what we need, and how we can grow from it. I'm excited. Oh wow, like this got me really excited for that binder. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos and more everything, because we coming back bigger, badder than ever. Mwah. KK, bye.